How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm gonna do blackhead removal easy tutorial at home. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, it helps my channel grow. So blackheads, the reason why you guys are getting them is because your skin is blocked with either dead skin cells, excessive oil, or bacteria. Now, to permanently remove blackheads, you need to remove one or all three of those from your body. So that's super simple to do. All you have to do is do what's called a sugar scrub. You get 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of water, mix it in a glass, get the sugary watery paste, and then scrub it on your face. Blackheads can be anywhere on the body. Most of the times they're on the face, so just scrub it on your face. You do this and your blackheads will be gone within 2 to 3 days. Easily 2 to 3 days, they will 100% be gone. So that is all you guys have to do. End the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.